Hello, I'm Bob Shoup with the Caterpillar Work Tool Product Group. The CAT tiller applications are used primarily within agriculture, landscaping, construction. Some of their purposes are working in ball fields, stabilizing soil, leveling, grading, and preparing seed beds for new germination. The CAT tiller is designed with safety in mind for the operator. The heavy non-slip steps allow 3 points of entrance into the cab. So we've talked about safety, now let's talk about the tiller. The structure of the tiller is built with heavy wall plate on both ends. Coupled with that is this long torque tube that runs both down the front and the back. This allows for long service life in demanding applications. So let's talk about the tines. The double-edged tines have tungsten coat on both edges of these. The single pin design allows for quick and easy removal for replacement. So let's talk about the motor. The direct drive motor is perfectly matched with the standard flow auxiliary system from the machine to give maximum performance of the tool. Along with that, in order to get the depth of the cut that you'd like to have with your tiller, we have adjustable shoes from 2 to 4 to 6 inches of depth. For more information on the CAT tiller, please contact your local CAT dealer.